What's Clint Eastwood's orangutan's name?
There's an orangutan?
Well, you know, what movies was it that he had?
Look at his toes all curled up. How funny. Laura, you see his toes all curled up?
It's like he's walking on a fist.
Uh-huh. It's relaxing. You need a bath. Hey, you need a bath. Hi. Slow-mo.
Wow.
Show him.
You're fine.